Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, I'm going to do a review of my range bag. Now this is a 511 range bag. I don't know the exact model, but I really like it. So let's just start from this side. You got two big pouches over here. This one I have my non-electronic ear protection in. These are some gummies that I got. These work okay, not my favorite, but I have them, so I'm keeping them in there. These are some molded ones. These are molded to my ears, and these are great for hunting, stuff like that. They don't run out of juice. So I have these in here. Plenty more room in this big giant pouch. Pouch next to it, I have a pair of these are 3M like construction ear pro, non-electronic, but you can fit all sorts of other stuff in there. Come over to this side, got a spot for a water bottle. Got this other pouch, slightly smaller. I keep my stapler and my spare staples in here for hanging targets. Come over to this side of the bag. Have a one big giant pocket, and this has a bunch of spots to put magazines in, and then it has a flat pouch here, and then if you don't open it up all the way, you can put stuff in front of the mags also, but it zips all the way down like that. Come over to this side of the bag. You got a spot to put your name, address, stuff like that in case your bag gets lost. I keep my binoculars in this for seeing what my targets are doing. And then for you've got the carry strap here, and you could detach it on these hooks. I like having it because I usually load this down with a bunch of stuff. It has regular suitcase carry, and you could Velcro these together. So it's one. You've got the double zipper here as well as Velcro to get to this inner pouch. And the inner pouch has three compartments here in the middle. And you can take this out. A little bag has zipper pockets on the side. You could put stuff in. And they're padded, so if you were to put firearms in here, they wouldn't get bunged up or damage whatever's in the central compartment. I have my electronic ear pro. Comes with a bag for picking up brass, which I use this all the time. 3 central compartments. And that fits in the middle. If that's out, you have this one large compartment in the middle that holds this bag. Then you have a compartment here and a compartment here. So I've taken several handguns. This is really ideal for bringing handguns to the range. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 handguns you could fit in here easily, and that's just if you're using each individual pouch for a single handgun. If you have them wrapped or something, you could wrapped in a towel, or there's some sort of divider so they're not banging into each other. You could fit way more than that. I like the color. It has served me really well. Now I don't keep anything in here. Well, the stuff that's in here I keep in here. I probably should add some first aid stuff, but I haven't yet. I don't keep guns in here. I just load this for the range trip. If there's a gun that I need to sight in, or I want to do some training on one. I load into this, take it to the range, makes carrying everything really simple. I got this at Sportsman's Warehouse, and I want to say, I don't remember, I think it was right around $100. I can't remember though. It has these extra loops over here for attaching whatever you would thread through these loops. All of the zippers have these big chunky I don't know, lanyards or plastic things on them, easy to grab hold of. Bottom has these plastic feet rests. I still wouldn't set it down in the rain. You know, I wonder if these are some sort of zipper, like you run your zipper through these to keep it from opening up. Now that I see that, each one of the zippers has this. So I think that's what these are for, is to... The only one that doesn't really make sense for that is the one on top, is furthest away from the zippers. But all the rest of these, I don't know, you'd tuck these through here somehow to keep it just a little more secure. That'd be something I'd have to ask old 511 what their deal is. But yeah, every single one of the zippers has that. Interesting. But this is my pistol range bag, and by 511. Hope you like it. Hope that helped.